Right, so today we're going to try and pick this mul-t-lock 7x7. This is one I do have a key for, 7-pin version. The other one I didn't have a key for, and it was just a 6-pin version. This one has a 0 lift in pin 5, which makes it a bit more difficult to pick. So every time I've tried picking this in the past, this is my go-to pick. It's a flat flag, which I've beveled the top and bottom of to make it a bit easier to get it through the pins. But unfortunately with this one, it does tend to get stuck behind that pin 5, and then I'm stuck in the lock. So someone did say to me, try and put another pick in there. Let's see if I can get it in the full set. There we go. So it gets, that's not a full set. Come on. There we go. And now I can't move, I can't get past it. No matter what I do, I can't get past pin 5. So I thought, try one of my other flags. So this is what they call a curved flag, but it's not really curved. It's more flat, but I think it's a smaller length on it as well, so it's able to get past that pin 5 and let me carry on picking. So into the full set, little wiggle, get past 5, there's 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we have it, we're open. And now this, there we go. That's open. Oh, I've never had this lock open before, even though I have got the key for it. But I've never been able to pick it either. So, there we go. Just a little changing flag. And these are only cheap flags. And I've put some shrink tube over the top of them just to help with picking. But yeah, you don't need to spend loads of money to get the open. Thanks for watching.